Hi, my name is Alden Mahachi. I'm a junior here at Dickinson College, and I'm going to be giving you the inside scoop on this Accepted Students Open House Day.
Today is Accepted Students Day. We have over 1,100 visitors. Right here is one of our tour guides, Sophia, on tour. Woo!
Alright, cool. Everybody, this is my buddy Jeff. Sorry, I don't know why I look at his name tag. But from Bronxville, are you playing golf? I am, yeah. Oh man, golf team is going to be so blessed to have this guy. We're blessed. We're all blessed. Somebody want to tell everybody all about this.
We're a student-led organization. We're a part of the Outdoor Ed program on school, and we have today a bunch of recycled containers to promote the idea of leave no trace and not littering on the trails. So in these recycled containers, plants from the path, we're printing gorgeous plants and we're decorating them.
Everybody, my name is Carl, class of 2018. Right now we're doing Accepted Students Open House, and so I'm running the Africana Studies table. Stop by, learn about the faces, people, experiences of Africana people. Come through.
Hey guys, so all of these dogs are being trained to be service dogs, but if you want to come down and play with them for $5 on brand, it's a really good cause. All the money goes to pairing them with an owner, and it's just a really great organization.
Hi, I'm Heidi Louise. I'm from Hershey, Pennsylvania, and I'm so excited to be here. Everyone's so friendly, and I just felt so welcomed here, and I love it already.
Hi, welcome to all of our Admitted and Accepted students. My name is Greg Moyer. I'm a Dickinson alum, and I'm an employee here. So excited to have you. Welcome to campus.
I just wanted to give a shout out to all of our accepted students. Congratulations, class of 2022. And just a reminder to all parents and students, if you have any questions after today, feel free to email admissions, or you can email your tour guide, whose email should be on their tour guide card that was given to you. Thanks for tuning in today and enjoy the nice weather.
Have a good one, you guys.
Bye.